Hello everyone, this is Michael and I'm back here with another use case for custom rules in GitLab Duo Agentic Chat on the GitLab Duo Agent platform with anti-patterns or design patterns in the C programming language. So here we have like an application or network application which provides a simple overview of server or TCP server responding to client connections. And the goal here is the application provides source code with goto and with break patterns as an educational purpose, and we want to use it as an example to rewrite it in a way that it doesn't use goto at all. So how can we do that? I've checked out the repository, which you can also just fork and clone and try it out yourself with GitLab Duo Agentic Chat. And what I did in order to prepare for that task is here we have the main file which implements the server with the different break statements, but also the goto statements. So if we search for goto here, we'll see we have certainly some usage of goto, and we want to modernize or we want to change that. In order to do that, you can define custom rules in the GitLab repository. So what I did was create a new folder which is called .gitlab, has another subfolder called Duo, and then there's a file called chat-rules.md in there. It can use free-form text, but best practice is using Markdown for structured instrumentation or structured custom rules for GitLab Duo and the LLMs and agents. Let's call it development style guide, and for C specifically, we created one list item which says goto is not allowed as a design pattern, so we don't want to use that as a bad practice sort of. And if the developer continues asking about it, share the development style guide, or in this use case, want to make it a little more fun, share this XKCD comic, and we will look at it in a bit. How can we start enforcing that or kind of make use of custom rules? We don't want to kind of follow them on our own, but we want to use Agentic Chat for that. So navigating over here on the right hand side, you can see there's GitLab Duo Agent platform in beta, which you need to have enabled for that. And then we can start with a prompt and say, please help me fix the code following the design patterns. And GitLab Duo Agentic Chat will then start with the analysis. You can see that it has included our user instruction file, and it starts searching for specific file patterns and reads the source code. So it sees the goto statements as an anti-pattern according to the development style guide, which is it also knows in its context goto is not allowed. Let me fix that. It sees there are two implementations available, so it tries to optimize or implement that. And it might take a bit, but certainly in the background agents are running in parallel and try to fix that. And as we can see here, it's making the edits. It will also work on the remaining edits in the main.c file. When it detects an error, or when agents in the background detect an error, they will also attempt to fix that automatically. So now it sees there's an error in the main.c file, and it will come up with a proper structured implementation for the main functionality. If you don't want that to happen, you can also create a custom rule which kind of prevents that and saying, well, only fix what is needed and don't try to fix everything else. So it made the key improvements. If you'd like to continue asking about to, here's the URL. Yes, we can certainly do that. But I want to also use goto, which can also be a way to trigger here's the relevant source that explains why. So depending on which development style guide you want to inject or show here, you might need to kind of change the language a little bit. Oh, I can see that for some reason it's not a clickable link here, but certainly let's quickly navigate over here, open the XKCD comic, and you can kind of see that it's a fun way to kind of see what happens or what could happen with goto if used without proper guidance, I would say. And in my experience, I've debugged goto often in my career, and it's certainly a good way to kind of think of different way, and we can use AI and agentic AI to help us. So you can see it made the changes into this file, and the implementation was actually on top here. It just made it a structured implementation and removed all the goto statements. So when we search for goto, we will not find anything. Yes, and essentially you can continue or like add more custom rules for the C style guide, which can be helpful. My recommendation is properly test them, work with your teams, define what the current style guide is, and also kind of add that to the custom rules. And yes, I hope this was helpful. There are more use cases. I will link a blog post in the video description when it's published. And yes, have a great day wherever you are, and see you next time. Bye bye.